Hi everyone! Here is the second part of the Christmas video. What shall we make today? How about a snowman? First, we need some candy sticks. We will need 6 in number. Then a red satin ribbon, some pipe cleaners such as these, a scissor, Fevicol, a thread like this, a marker pen, and some acrylic paint, black and white. Then we just need a brush and a bottle of water. Then colored paper like orange, green and white. Let's get started. First, take your white paper and cut it into a rectangular shape like this. Then take your candy sticks and paste them on top of the paper. Use Fevicol for the same. So here I have done the same and you can look at it. Then take your 6th candy stick and stick it like this. Use Fevicol again. After sticking the candy stick, we will paint the base. Using your brush, paint the upper part black, including the 6th candy stick, and the lower part white. So here I am first painting the white part and then the black part. So here you can see we will add a thread on top by looping it so that it is easier to hang. Use sellotape for the same. So here I have added the loop. Then take your pipe cleaner and we will make a rose out of this. So just keep twisting the pipe cleaner from one end to make a flower like this. So we will make a wool ball from the pipe cleaner. Here we have made the flower ball. We will stick this at the top left corner of the hat using Fevicol. Here I have stuck the flower like so, including the hanging thread. Then take your 2nd pipe cleaner and attach it just below the hat. This adds some color to our snowman. First, we use Fevicol on top to stick the pipe cleaner. And then we twist the behind part so that it gets stuck nicely. Then take your green paper and cut 2 leaves out of it like this. Here we have 2 leaves. Then take a orange paper and cut a long triangle for the nose. With your white paper, we will make the eyes of the snowman. So fold the paper like this and cut a circular shape. Thus we will get 2 circles. Now we will paste all of these pieces on our snowman. First we paste the leaves around the flower, then the triangle for the nose. Then on the circles for your eyes, make black dots for the eyeballs and paste it on the snowman as well. Well, here is our snowman. Oh wait, something's missing. A smile. Take your marker and make a smiley face for a snowman. Well, now our snowman is happy. I hope you like this. Check it out and let me know your views in the comments. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.